Hey up everyone. First off, I hope you've all had a cracking start to the year, whether you're out on two wheels or tucked away somewhere warm. 2025 is already throwing some curveballs, and today we're diving headfirst into some news that's shaking the motorbike world again, and not in a good way for one of the biggest names in the game. We're talking Harley Davidson, and after watching dealer after dealer close the doors, the latest financial reports ain't pretty. We're going to break down their Q4 and full year 2024 numbers and see what went wrong, and ask the big question: is it time for a change at the top? Grab a cuppa, settle in, and let's get on to it. Harley Davidson, alongside their electric venture LiveWire, has had a year they'd probably rather forget. The Q4 2024 and full year financials have just dropped, and they're looking uglier than a wet weekend in Skegness. We're talking significant drops across key performance indicators, and LiveWire's numbers are frankly dismal, posting more losses on top of even fewer sales than the previous year, and this is despite them chucking out 2 new models in the last couple of years. When you see the slides from the Harley Investors Conference, the picture becomes crystal clear. Q4 2024 was a proper disaster. The Harley Davidson Motor Company and LiveWire both copped hefty double-digit losses. Harley Davidson's revenue nosedived a whopping 47% compared to Q4 2023, and LiveWire's revenue tanked by 32%. The full year figures aren't much better, with Harley's revenue down over 15% and LiveWire's slumping by over 30%. It doesn't take a genius to work out that they just shifted fewer bikes in 2024 than they did in 2023. It's worth remembering that in 2023, Harley Davidson posted a 3.4% increase in motorcycle revenue. However, this was buoyed up by a 12.7% increase in the financial services revenue, so the signs were already there if you read between the lines. And the Q4 results in 2023 already showed signs of a slowdown. So where does this leave Harley Davidson and LiveWire? It's clear that 2024 was a year of reckoning, with declining sales, mounting losses, and a market that's shifting faster than ever. The question isn't just about what went wrong, it's about what comes next. Can Harley Davidson reinvent itself to stay relevant in an evolving industry? Is it time for a shake-up at the top to steer this iconic brand back on course? And what about LiveWire? Can it carve out a niche in the competitive electric market, or is it destined to be a cautionary tale? One thing's for sure, the road ahead is anything but smooth. Whether you're a die-hard Harley fan or just watching from the sidelines, these are questions worth pondering. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Harley Davidson can turn things around? Or is this the beginning of the end for an American legend? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you got this far. We really do have the best motorcycle community on YouTube, and I have you to thank for that. Remember, keep your spanners close and your keys even closer. Ride free, everyone!